Understanding everyday English. Shop now and save. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of a very common English phrase, shop now and save. Whether you're shopping online or walking through a mall, you've likely come across this phrase. But what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. Shop now and save is a phrase that is often used in advertising. It's a call to action, which means it's designed to encourage you to do something, in this case, to shop. Let's break down the phrase. Shop now. This part is urging you to act immediately. The word, now, suggests a sense of urgency, implying that delaying may lead to missing out on something. And save. This implies that by shopping now, you will benefit, usually by saving money. It suggests there's a financial advantage or discount available for a limited time. Understanding why this phrase is so popular in marketing can help us see the bigger picture. Here's why it's effective. 1. Urgency. By suggesting a limited time offer, it creates a sense of urgency, making you feel like you need to act fast. 2. Incentive. The promise of saving money is a strong incentive for many people. 3. Simplicity. It's a simple and clear message. Easy to understand, remember, and act upon. Now let's look at some examples of how and where this phrase might be used. In an online store during a sale, shop now and save 50% on all items. In a flyer or advertisement for a supermarket, shop now and save on your weekly groceries. During holiday seasons, shop now and save on Christmas gifts. Understanding the context helps in comprehending the full meaning of the phrase. There are several variations of this phrase that you might encounter. For example, buy now and save big. Act now to save. Shop today for exclusive savings. All these carry a similar sense of urgency and incentive. Shop now and save is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful marketing tool that combines urgency and the promise of saving money. We hope this video has helped you understand its meaning and how it's used in everyday English. Remember, understanding such phrases not only improves your language skills but also helps you make informed decisions as a consumer. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.